We will now try to make a backpack. For this we are using this pattern sheet that's multicolored, and then we are just folding it and twisting it in the square shape, and then see how we are unfolding and again folding. You can just repeat this process. Now it's time to make the other features of this bag like the handle. Thank you. We will now try to make the nurse hats. Nurses are so important in the hospitals. They just help and serve the sick people. Today we are going to make the nurse cap, but this one is for the female nurse cap. It's the pink in color, and see how we are inserting the plus symbol. We will try to make a paper top. For this we are taking this pattern sheet that's about multicolored. You can use any other. You can even use the normal colorful sheet. Then you just have to fold it, twist it, turn it, and again you just have to repeat the steps like we are here doing. And once you are done, your top is ready. Using the glitter sheet of the paper, we are going to make a sword, and we have here choose the pink and the green color. Follow the steps carefully so that you can get the best results. This one is good and easy, best suited for the small kids. Thank you.